Steps to change your registered agent for a Texas LLC. Changing your registered agent for a Texas LLC is a simple but important process to keep your business compliant. A registered agent receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC, so choosing a reliable service is crucial. If your current agent is unreliable, expensive, or has resigned, it's time for a change. The first step is selecting a new registered agent with a physical office in Texas who is available during business hours. Next, complete Form 401 change of registered agent with your LLC's details, the new agent's name and address, and their signed consent. Once the form is ready, submit it to the Texas Secretary of State through online filing, mail, or email, along with the $15 state filing fee. After filing, ensure your former agent's service is officially terminated to avoid compliance gaps. Keep in mind that registered agents must notify the Secretary of State before resigning, and you can track your filing status online. For a hassle-free experience, consider Rapid Registered Agent, a trusted provider with no hidden fees or upsells. They offer secure online filing, instant document access, and coverage in multiple states. Let them handle the paperwork so you can focus on growing your business. If you need to change your registered agent, follow these steps for a smooth transition. Visit Rapid Registered Agent today and get expert guidance to keep your LLC compliant.